I'm going to attempt to try to assemble this 3-tier shoe rack that I got from Amazon, so I can have somewhere to put my shoes. As you can see here, these are 3 rows because I chose a 3-tier. So I'm going to attempt to put it together. It's pretty simple. Just taking the leg, using one of those screws, put the screw in the hole, and use a little Allen key wrench thing to tighten it. And do the same thing on all 4 corners. First level is complete, and then you do the same thing with the next level. As you can see, I'm running the screw into the hole and attach it, and do the same thing on all corners. This shelf could be used for multiple purposes. You could use it in the bathroom to store towels and toilet paper, or any room in your house. Actually, it's not just for shoes only. Now I'm going to add the 3rd row, but in this time I'm using the dowels in each hole, and then use the little short pieces to add the 3rd shelf. So I could have left it at 2-tier, but then I wanted 3, so now I'm going to add the 3rd tier to it. And do the same thing. There you have it, my 3-level shoe rack. Now you could use it for other things other than shoes, of course. And you can keep adding to it. It has holes at the top here. Oops. It has holes at the top where you can continue and make it as tall as you want. I decided to do the 3-tier for now to fit in the bottom of my closet to house the few little shoes that I have that's thrown on the ground. It's a nice little piece. Okay, now I'm just going to stack the shoes that I have left over on here. I can't go any taller in this closet. I'm limited on space. That is why I decided to get the 3-tier, hang the shorter items here, and my boots and other things that's in other shoes in boxes at the top of the closet.